Good morning, dear students. In previous lecture of this chapter biological classification, we will discuss about the system of classification. Now, here, according to five kingdom system, we are going to study the first kingdom of the living world according to R.H. Whittaker. The first kingdom Monera. If we are talking about the kingdom Monera, then we found that bacteria are the sole organism of the kingdom Monera. After the systematic classification of kingdom Monera, Carl Rus classified this kingdom Monera into two groups. What are they? They are Archaeobacterium and the second is Eubacteria. Here we can deeply study about the Archaea and Eubacteria. Now I draw the table of this comparative study of kingdom Monera. According to Carl Rus, Archaeobacteria and this one is Eubacteria. Students, Archaea is a Greek word that means primitive or ancient. It means it is the group of bacteria. It is the group of ancient bacteria which primarily originate, or you can say that occurs on the earth. That's why the Carl Rus gave them term as Archaeobacteria during 1967. Now, what is the means of Eubacteria? It is also Greek word. You are very well know that you means good or well. Good or well. Eubacteria is the group of good or well developed type of bacteria. Now here the Archaeobacteria are further classified into following three categories. What are they? First, methanogens. Another thermophils. And halophils. This group of bacteria is also known as thermophils or thermoacidophils. Acidophils. Students, as it is confirmed that this is a group of primitive, or you can say that ancient type of bacteria. These bacteria, the silent feature of such bacteria are these bacteria do not possess uric acid in their cell wall, and so they have ability to live in the diverse type of climatic condition, or you can say that extreme environmental conditions. Another features, they may be acellular, and they are found in the hot water springs as thermophils. This term thermophils, thermo means temperature and philes means the bacteria are microorganism. Methanogens, the term methane is derived from the organic chemistry. Methane is organic, you can say that organic, or you can say that hydrocarbon, which is consist of carbon and hydrogen atoms. These bacteria are found where the methane gas is present. In simple term, if you want to say that methanogens are the kind of bacteria which are found in such a places where methane gas is present. Methane gas is also known as March gas. CS4 is its chemical formula. So then methanogens are anaerobic type of bacteria. It means it does not require oxygen for their oxidation of food. They easily intake the methane gas and break down into carbon dioxide and hydrogen, or you can say that hydrochloric acid. That's why these bacteria are known as methanogens. In commonly, you will also find such a bacteria in the biogas disaster. It means gobar gas plant. Easily you can notice in the villages in which the fuel gas is synthesized by using the excreta of the animals such as cows and buffaloes. Methane gas is formed or synthesized in this fuel tank of the biogas digester, and due to presence of methanogens bacteria, it could be possible due to presence of methanogens bacteria. Now thermophils or thermoacidophils, these are the kinds of bacteria which are found in the hot springs, or you can say that hot water springs, as well as acidic springs such as sulfur hot water springs. They have ability to lie above the temperature 80 degrees Celsius. They can survive their life above the temperature 80 degrees Celsius. That's why they are also known as thermophils. They are aerobic type. They intake oxygen gas for the oxidation of food, and during oxidation they outtake hydrogen sulfur gas H2S or sulfur dioxide SO2 gas. The formation of acidic rain during the first monsoon rainwater, or the presence of acid into the first monsoon rainwater, is also responsible for the process of oxidation, or you can say that respiration, by the thermoacidophils bacteria at a great extent. Now, another ancient type of bacteria are halophils. As the term halo indicates halogens or halogens, it means salts of chloride, bromide, iodide, etc. These are the kind of bacteria which are found at the regions where the salinity is more in the soil. It means they are found in the regions where the large amount of, it means abundant amount of salts are present. That's why these bacteria are known as halophils. Halophils are also anaerobic type. It means they also do not utilize oxygen gas for their oxidation of food, and they easily oxidize their food without using oxygen. That's why they are regarded as halophils. On the basis of mode of nutrition, the bacteria are all further classified as phototropic. It means the bacteria which can easily prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight, are phototropic. Chemotropic, the kind of bacteria which has ability to synthesize their food in the presence of chemical substances or any other organic substances. And some bacteria are heterotrophs. It means they depend on other for their nutrition or for their food. Now we are talking about the eubacteria. Eubacteria are very well developed type of bacteria. The modern bacteria which we study are all are eubacteria, like cyanobacteria, Nostoc, Henna, like blue-green bacteria are also studied under this part of, or this group of classification. The silent feature of eubacteria can be explained as eubacteria contain the outermost protective layer similar to the plant cell, which is consist of cellulose material called cell wall. Eubacteria may be autotrophic as well as heterotrophic on the basis of presence and absence of plastids. They do not have cell organelles like the eukaryotic cells, but they are similar to the prokaryotic cells because their cell is almost consist of prokaryotic cell. All the kind of nucleic contents are present in the cytoplasm. They do not covered inside the nuclear membrane and contains double-stranded circular DNA as well as plasmid in their cell content. They have locomotory organ for the process of movement and locomotion in the form of flagella. They also have mesosome for the process of oxidation. In spite of mitochondria, or you can say that on the place of mitochondria, the bacterial cells contain mesosomes that helps in the process of oxidation of food. Like many more organelles are also present in bacteria. The eubacteria perform the process of reproduction asexually by binary fission, budding, fragmentation, etc. Now, the eubacteria, on the basis of mode of nutrition, further divided as photoautotrophs, chemotrophic, and the well-developed type of bacteria which contain plastids, it means chloroplast, and synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Just like to the Nostoc, Anabaena, cyanobacteria like blue-green algae come under the photosynthetic type of bacteria. Beside this, the eubacteria are varies in shape, size and structure. That's why there are mainly 4 categories are mentioned in through which the eubacteria can be classified. These 4 categories are first spherical or Kochi bacteria. Kochi are spherical. Second, spiral bacteria. Third, bacillus bacteria, and the last one is comma-shaped bacteria. Many more about these bacteria will we study in our incoming lecture. Thanks students for joining today's class.